In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove a page in the Kajabi website builder. If you've ever felt puzzled about managing your website pages efficiently, worry no more. With straightforward steps, I'll guide you through both deleting landing pages and removing static pages, ensuring your Kajabi site only shows what you want. First things first, you'll want to log into your Kajabi account. Go ahead and visit the Kajabi website. Enter your login credentials and you'll be directed to your dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area. To your left, there's a sidebar, which acts like your personal navigation panel within Kajabi. Let's move deeper into the process. On this left-hand sidebar, locate and click on the Website tab. This will take you to another menu where you'll need to select Pages. Here you are presented with two types of pages, static pages and landing pages. The static pages include items like your About or Contact pages, while the landing pages are standalone pages, such as sales or thank you pages. Next, you'll be identifying the specific page you wish to remove. You have the option to scroll through your list of pages or use the search feature if you have many pages to sift through. Once you've located the page you no longer need, it's time to take action. Depending on your type of page, you have two options. Let's explore the first scenario, deleting a landing page. For landing pages, hover over the page you intend to remove. A More Options icon, often represented by three dots, will appear. Click this icon and select Delete. You'll need to confirm this action to permanently remove the page. So ensure you really want this page gone because once deleted, it can't be recovered. Now let's talk about removing static pages such as your About or Contact pages. Kajabi doesn't allow you to permanently delete these, but you can remove them from public view by unpublishing them. Start by returning to the Pages menu and selecting Static Pages. Click on the specific static page you want to hide. Direct your attention to the page settings and locate the visibility toggle switch. Switch this to off to unpublish the page. Always remember to save your changes to ensure the page is indeed hidden. Unpublishing a static page won't delete it, but it will effectively remove it from your site's navigation and make it inaccessible to visitors. This method is ideal if you might want to use the page again in the future without starting from scratch. And there you have it. Whether you need to permanently delete a landing page or just hide a static one, these steps will help you keep your Kajabi site clean and organized, focusing your visitors' attention on the content that matters most. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has empowered you to take control of your website's pages.